Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install Forge for Minecraft. Let's get started. Forge allows you to use mods in Minecraft like new mods, shaders, and extra features. To get started, open your web browser and search Minecraft Forge, then click official site files.minecraftforge.net. On the left, choose the Minecraft version you want to play and click installer. When the add page appears, wait for the skip button in the top right, then download the file. Once it's downloaded, you'll need Java to open it. If you don't have Java, go to java.com and install the latest version. After that, right-click the Forge installer and open it with Java, then select Install Client and click OK. When the installation finishes, open the Minecraft launcher and select the Forge profile from the version list and click play. To install mods, open the Forge installer folder, find the creator mods folder and place your mods files inside. Launch Minecraft again and check the mods menu and you're all set. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.